नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the disciples, devotees, Sarvangjapita Yajamans, Nitya Satsangis, Sri Mahants, Kotari Tanidar visitors, viewers, YouTube subscribers, everyone on this auspicious occasion of Krishna Janmashtami. People who are sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, YouTube Live, and through two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha all over the world. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, Krishna Janmashtami. Krishna, the greatest embodiment of Sadashiva ever happened in the cosmos. Purnavatara, the manifestation of all the powers described in the Vedas and Agamas, all the experiences described in the Vedas and Agamas, is the living demonstrator. Please understand, I am using the word not lived, living. Living demonstrator. Of everything Veda and Agama stand for. Let's first offer our respects in the form of Aarti to Sri Krishna. Then we'll enter into the satsang.
Om Rajadirajaaya Prasakya-shahine Namo Vayam Vai Ishavanaya Gurmahe Kame Kaman Kama Kamaya Vastam Kameshwaro Vai Ishavano Dadate Kaveraya Vai Ishavanaya Maharajaya Namaha Karpuratoram Arunavadaram Samsarasaram Jagayendraharam Sadavasantam Hidayarvinde Bhavam Bhavani Aitam Namami Bhavam Bhavani Aitam Namami Bhavam Bhavani Aitam Namami.
Krishna, celebration is his life and message. The word celebration is the essence of his life and message. No one can celebrate like Krishna. He is so much in love with life, in romance with the cosmos. Nothing ever even occurred to him as pain. He never occurred as pain to anything. everything was just celebration, celebration, celebration. To tell you honestly, whatever we know as Hinduism now, he is the founder of that Hinduism. Whatever we know as Hinduism, he is the founder. Because whatever he lived, whatever he taught, that is only still practiced as Hinduism. Understand? Hinduism has tons of material. But what is practiced is whatever he stood for, what he expressed and what he radiated. That is only still practiced. He is the most powerful, greatest embodiment of the cosmos, Sadashiva, and the greatest devotee of Sadashiva. The greatest manifestation of Sadashiva, the being which radiated Sadashiva, to an extraordinary level in the planet Earth. Please understand, in the planet Earth, the greatest, best, most authentic manifestation of Sadashiva is Krishna. Nothing compared to him. The word Purnavatara is too small for him. Jagat Guru is too small for him. He is too much. He is too much. If you are sitting and talking about him, I think it is like having a huge cake and you go on giving discourse about it. I think you should taste him. Celebration is his message. Celebrate today whole day. Give vacation for your depression. Tell your depression, today holiday for you, go. Tell your constant nagging mind, today holiday for you, go. Tell your constant grinding mind, what happened to that, what happened to this, what happened to this, what happened to this, what happened to this. The constant grinding mind, tell him, okay, today holiday for you. Krishna Janmashtami, cosmic government holiday. Cosmic government holiday, go, go. Give your mind vacation, celebrate. Actually, it took birth tonight. It's the night where Ashtami comes. So we start the celebration now. It was not yesterday night. Please understand. It's not yesterday night. It's tonight. Where the Ashtami overlaps with Rohini. Rohini is the nakshatra. Ashtami is the tithi. Ashtami and Rohini overlap. That always happens only in the night. So, there are some nakshatras overlap with tithi in the daytime. There are some in the noon time. There are some in the night time. Rohini overlaps always in the night time. Is the Lord of night. So, his life and his message is all about celebration. At least till tomorrow morning. Tell your mind, bye. See you later on. And celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. Let today whole day be celebration. Living the life and message of Sri Krishna. Eat like Krishnas, dress like Krishnas, dance like Krishnas, feel like Krishnas, celebrate like Krishnas. You will become Krishna. Celebrate, that is the only way you will taste Krishna, not otherwise. Otherwise, giving 10 hours satsang on the hot cake will only reduce the taste of the cake. Just taste. Taste Him. Taste celebration. That is His message, I tell you. He made whole Hinduism as the religion of celebration. His life is celebration. His teachings are celebration. Even the rituals used to worship Him is celebration. He is celebration. Let's celebrate Him. That's the best way you can taste Him. Krishna, the highest celebration. So today, vacation for mind, the cosmic holiday and celebration. Let's celebrate the greatest embodiment of Sadashiva, Sri Krishna. Vasudeva Sudam Devam Gamsachanura Mardanam Devagi Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. So I bless you all. Live Him, breathe Him, celebrate Him, eat Him, dance Him, sing Him. Ultimately, become Him. Become Him. And today, day-long celebration we have. Celebrate Him and become Him. Let your being Him. Be Him. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.